Abantu bakithi
Sorry, can you just go down?
uyadelela lo mongameli usithatha kancane. Okokuqala uphule umthetho, iconstitution, icacile iconstitution ukuthi wathatha isifungo sokuthi uzo apply iconstitution. Yena ucabanga ukuthi above the law, wenza into ayithandayo. Ama processes abanye abasubject akuwo, yena akafuni. Okokuqala uthi uzo appeal i-ruling ye-Constitutional Court. The Constitutional Court is the highest court in the land. Where is he going to appeal to? Which court can he possibly appeal to? These are the last kicks of a dying horse. Thina ke siumkhonto wesizwe sinayo isikhathi segwele. Thina asikwazi ibhece thina. Sangizokwazi ibhece la. Asinaso isikhathi segwebu, ngeke silalele umongameli oyisigila mthetho, othatha imali ayifihle, ayifake phansi kwamadola, angaboshwa, aclearishwe SARS, aclearishwe iPP, aclearishwe bonke abantu, ama-institutions awa-controlayo. Thina-ke besizozela ukuto debate la, kodwa ke kucacile ukuthi speaker sihambisana no-ANC yaso, asikho fair ispeaker. Thina-ke siphumile-ke namanye ama-leaders, progressive caucus, niyabona nanki UAT ila, kube ATM, ne-EFF siphelele sonke la, sithi asibhedelwa thina. La ekhuluma khona umongameli, we will make sure ukuthi akazukwazi ukusi-addressa until azahambe. Idemand yethu singaphume esihlalweni mongameli. Ngiyaphela lapho.